In a bathroom, like all areas, it's really important to get your paint system right. So if we're going to start with a primer onto this Aqualine, where do we start?
Okay, so like say there's multiple primers for different areas, but in wet areas we always talk about pigmented sealers.
Yes.
So we've got Resin waterborne Shore Seal and Resin solvent-borne Shore Seal. Both you can use in wet areas. You and I are both very much
I'm a bit old-fashioned.
solvent-borne.
I would go solvent-borne for my first coat, but a waterborne one,
You can still use a waterborne
absolutely
one as
fine.
well.
Yep. So always Shore Seal for a first coat, and then top coats. There's specific paints now for bathrooms and kitchens.
So yeah, we've got waterborne enamels
Yep.
with added mold defense. There's kitchen and bathroom options.
Yep.
We've got that obviously in different gloss levels, so from flat through to full gloss. And then we've got hybrid products like the Room Velvet.
Now I used that the other day, so it gave me kind of a satin finish.
So yes, low sheen kind of satin
Yeah.
look. So you can use it on the walls or your ceiling.
Yep, but really durable as well.
Really durable, really washable, and holds up to steam and moisture in wet areas.
Because that's the thing, it's a challenging environment. You've got steam, you've got heat, potentially mold and that sort of thing. It's an area that you want to be able to wash the walls
Yeah,
down.
you want that. It's also ventilation side of things as well,
Right.
especially in a lot of older homes that don't have good ventilation.
Yes.
The Room Velvet just holds up really well in those areas.
Yeah. So paint systems are really specific, and they tend to be use this product, then that one to get a good result.
Yep.
And also read the instructions and get some proper advice before you start.
100%.